We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay card can't be used. First thing you need to do is open the wallet app and check for any error messages explaining why your card can't be used, because this often happens due to expired cards, bank restrictions, or verification issues. Next, confirm that your card is active, has sufficient balance, and that all personal details match exactly with your bank records. Then, check your internet connection and make sure Apple Pay services are running normally. After that, restart your device, update to the latest iOS version, and try removing and re adding the card to refresh the wallet connection. And if the card still can't be used, contact your bank to check for holds, fraud alerts, or spending limits. Then reach out to Apple support if your bank confirms the card is eligible. So that's it.